Jacques Berzin, a famous historian and academic, states that teaching is not a lost art, but the regard of it is lost art. There is an incident of Shaykh Ahmad, may Allah be pleased with him. He was in Italy when he committed a traffic offense. As a result, he was to be present in a court and had to record his attendance in front of the judge. When he went to the court, there, while he was present, when the judge inquired from him as to what his occupation was, Shaykh Ahmad stated that he was a university professor. Thereupon the judge not only stood up, he made sure that the entire court stood up in respect of Shaykh Ahmad because he was a professor. Further on, the judge also made sure that there was a seat that was brought for Shaykh Ahmad, and thereupon the judge not only apologized Shaykh Ahmad.
Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video.
That it was due to his deficiency that Shaykh Ahmad was made to stand in a court because he was a professor. My friends, this is the respect and the level of discipline that we as humans, not only Muslims, we as humans should learn. One of the biggest kings this world has ever recorded, one of the biggest commanders this world has ever recorded, Alexander the Great, Aristotle made sure that his student Alexander walked behind him and not in front of him. And not only was the respect from Aristotle towards Alexander respected his teacher Aristotle. There was a mutual relationship of respect and love. And Aristotle did say, the student Alexander the Great, he did say that had it been Aristotle, a lot of Alexanders would be born. It is due to Aristotle, the teacher, that a number of Alexanders will come into existence. My friends, the life of the sovereign of saints, the Sultan al-Awliya, Hazrat Ghaus al-Azam Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, is a radiant example that shows us the path of respect. His teacher used to push him in the river, but it was Ghaus al-Azam Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu who used to always come back and humbly sit in the presence of his spiritual guide, of his teacher. The students, the fellow students would make fun of him and mock him and say that why do you come in the presence of your teacher when he is not fond of you? Thereupon not only would his teacher get angry, but he would say that, "O people, you do not know, you do not recognize Abdul Qadir is a firm mountain who does not move from its place while I try to examine him." My friends, we should respect the teachers because this is what the discipline of not only Islam teaches us, the other religions also teaches us that.